Hello everybody. I got here is a Toyota Camry 2010, and today we're gonna replace the light marker above here. This see that amber light? I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's an amber light here. We're gonna replace. This is the side marker. I think this is called top marker or something. So there's a light bulb there we're gonna replace. There is no access from the top. Let me show you. There's no access from there. As you can see, I can't stick my hand in there to change the light bulb. So I'm gonna have to do is go underneath from this to here. I already turned the wheel, and we're gonna remove this side cover here for the wheel. We're just gonna loosen that up and pull this down, and we should see that we should have access to it. Just have your wheel turn so you have enough space for your hand. Alright, so let me remove that push pin over here and let's get started. So remove this push pin. Now we have access to it now. Let me pull this way. Camera not gonna be able to see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. Alright, it's out now. I did it by pushing this thing and turn it towards you to the left. Right, now we're gonna replace the bulb. Just pull it out. Simple. And put a new bulb in. Now before we install that, we're gonna try it first before you put it back. Make sure it works. It works. Okay, lights are on now. Right, so to put it back, you do the opposite. Push it into the hole and turn it right. And I loosen the bottom part to the big bulb so you have more access to it. I can't see with the camera, but that's what I did. So we start with the top one first. See, this thing broke it already, so it doesn't matter. That's how you do it. Now the lights are on. Right here. See? It wasn't on earlier. Alright, this is the Toyota 2010 Camry LE. That's how you replace the side marker, top side. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And hope to see you next time. Goodbye.